Hi everyone, it's Kath Hopkinson from Healthy Best You. I hope you're having a brilliant day. So, what online resources are there for learning Pilates? Well, how long have you got? We've got a minute, so let's be quick. Okay, so a lot of celebrities are doing Pilates and have done for years. So, they've often started programs in lockdown and continued online as well. We have our studio live, which is a live class every Monday at 5:15 and Thursday morning at 10:15. They're recorded as well if you can't come. Now, what I'd say really is sometimes it's just you and the teacher, as in a screen like this is now pre-recorded, so they don't get to know you. So maybe if you know something about the trainer, and if the trainer can know something about you. I know for everyone who comes in our studio live, we do a health screening form for them, not just a blanket park you on the front and say, no, if you're unwell, go and see your doctor. We actually want to get to know you, because I like to make sure that we've got modifications for everybody. Remember, we have the ABC. We have the base move, which is the B, and either side we adapt or we challenge. So you've always got a minimum 3 options in each of our live sessions and recorded sessions. So maybe that'll make your mind up.